Think you can identify an animal from just a small part of its picture? This quiz contains 10 rounds. 5 seconds each. Let's see how sharp your eyes really are. Which animal is this? It's a horse. Which animal is this? It's a tiger. Which animal is this? It's a dog. Which animal is this? It's a cat. Which animal is this? It's an elephant. Which animal is this? It's a fox. Which animal is this? It's a goat. Which animal is this? It's a lion. Which animal is this? It's a bear. Which animal is this? It's a snake. Which animal is this? It's a frog.